everyone. Today I'm doing a video different than I've ever done before. This is going to be a haul video. I know I've been talking to you folks about scrapbooking with me, the Eat Club kit. So today I thought I would show you a haul. It's like a haul video, but I wanted to show you what all comes in a Eat Club kit. Now this is the Eat Club kit that came for the month of September. And as you see, it comes in these white priority boxes. And when you open it up, we always get one of these pouches, which is really nice because they're waterproof and everything fits in it. And I label mine and put my month stuff left, if I have any stuff left over in it. They're really nice. But what I'm going to start off with is show you all this stuff. First thing, you get a paper here that talks to you about welcoming you into the Eat Club kit, how to join the Facebook group, and how to subscribe to their channel, and if you have a change of address or a new credit card or update, what you need to do for that. For this, we got these chipboard accents, which from Cartabello. They are really gorgeous. You can see them here real well, but we have the wagon with the veggies and the pumpkins in the fall, and the tandem bike, fresh apricots and pears, another wagon full of veggies, a box with glass bottles in it, and then we got an old-time truck with fresh apples, and we got stuff to make a banner and all kinds of neat stuff here. And then we get our cardstock. It's usually it's 6 by 12. So in this month we've got 3 of the beige, it looks like, and 3 of an orange. And looks like we've got quite a few of the brown too. Some of it's not quite 6 by 12. There's different sizes. It's probably for this other project. And then what also comes in it, like I said, we have this bag, and everything goes together. And in this bag, we have our stamp set that goes with the set. We also have these SVG cutouts that match all these items here on the stamp cutout. Now there is an SVG file that you can get if you have a Cricut. You can cut it out if you want, but for those who of you that don't have it, Edith sends this in. This is something new that she started. We got some Versamark watermark stamp pad and some gold metallic powder, embossing powder. So you stamp your design with this, and then you'll cover it with this, and then you heat set it. And we also got this paper pack from Cartabello that matched our chipboard designs. And look at these gorgeous colors. Oh, they are just gorgeous, and it's just about fall. And it's all about fall. And see, all these correlate with the chipboard. Get them back out here. As you can see, they just coordinate right well with us. And we got the leaves, and we have the pumpkins, and some more flowers, and some wood, some gingham. And then we have these you could put on the front of cards for like little note cards. Pick your pumpkin. We got these wreaths and some stripes. I think I don't want to open here. And we got these baskets with vegetables in them. And then I think looks like it's starting over. And then we also have a pack of stuff that goes in here. And we have some coordinating ribbon. We always have flowers of some kind. This time we have some leaves. And we also have, this one came in, and we also have these enamel dots that go with the set as well. And this is what comes in the regular E-Club kit. To give you an idea. So you've got, and you also get, you know, PDF files of projects that Edith makes, and her also, there's videos where she has made projects and her design team has made projects as well. And then she also has an add-on that you can buy, which adds onto it. It costs just a little bit more. And this is the add-on for this month. It's actually to make a recipe book, a flip recipe book. And with this, oh my gosh, I cannot believe everything we get with this. You got your recipe cards. And I do believe there's a file where you can go on and you can print more of these off if you want more recipes for your thing. She's got these stickers. And then you got these, I forget what these are called. They go over the holes to help secure reinforcers. And then you got these little tabs for index tabs. You just, you know, fold them over and then glue them on the end so you have like a little tab. You mark what's on in things so you can divide it up. Oh, there's a little skillet charm. And there's 3 book rings. If I remember right, I think it's a flip book. This recipe thing is a flip book. Oh, and I got a little knife too, charm. Got some ribbon. And then, oh, I got the chipboard, probably for the front and the back. There's 2 pieces here. Oh, I'll get it apart here. There's 2 pieces. And then, looks like about half a paper pack maybe. Of, this is kitchen stuff. Like cooking, kitchen stuff. So, has roosters and has some really old nostalgic stuff in here. It's really kind of neat. So anyway, folks, that's what you get in your E-Club kit and your and also your add-on. And sometimes she has a few extra products that you can purchase too. Now I did purchase an extra embossing powder because I know I like to heat emboss and I use quite a bit of it. And so it was a good price point. I mean, when Edith gets a deal, she always passes it on to everybody. So this was a really good deal on this embossing powder. So I bought an extra one, and it's the super fine metallic gold. So anyway, I'll put the link below in case you're interested in ordering one for next month. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.